Hello Masters, Namaste. My name is Prince Sarin and welcome back to another fantastic video of Prince Master Champ Education with Fun. Today in this video, let's learn about a fantastic topic, namely electric circuit diagram. So let's start off with a video. First of all, I will recommend you to please check out this diagram or this table for the better understanding in today's video, because this diagram will help you to understand all the basic symbols that are used for different electrical components like the bulb, the switch, the wires, and also batteries and the cells. So friends, please refer to this diagram first. So friends, once you have referred this, let's dive into our journey of electrical diagram, starting off with our bulb. Now this is actually the diagram which is used, or this is the symbol that is used for bulb. In some areas this also is applicable as a bulb, but both are correct if you use to draw them. For today's video, we will prefer this one. This is a switch. A switch has two symbols as per our requirement we will use. This is our on switch and this is our off switch. So as per our requirement, we will use any of them. Shell. Now a shell has one line which is long, that represents the positive terminal, and one which is short, that represents the negative terminal of the electric cell. When we combine two or more cells, we make a battery, and that is exactly what we do in this. See the symbol of battery. This is what a battery is referred as. So now let's start making electrical diagrams by just starting off from a simple diagram where we will connect one bulb with one single cell. So this is actually how will the circuit actually look like. So let's make the diagram for it. First we will add a electric bulb in it and a electric switch. After adding both of these, we will connect both of them by the wires. So let's add the electric bulb first. So this is our electric bulb. Then add the electric cell. Now it is also added. Now we will connect both of them by wires. So on the left side and the right side, both will connect and you will get a perfectly fine circuit. You can now add more components as your wish. Like if I want, I can add a switch to conserve electricity. The cell, I can also use a 5-volt battery as well. I can use a 9-volt battery as well. Now friends, I want to recommend you one site from where you can make different diagrams of your choice with all the different components like the resistance, the resistivity, the neon bulb, and many more things are there. There are different types of switch as well, like the toggle switch, the analog switch, and many more. You can get all of them in one site that I am going to recommend you. www.circuit-diagrams.org/editor/. So by going to this site, you can now be able to make any kind of diagrams as per your wish. So friends, for this video, that's all from my side, and so for such more fun and amazing videos, be sure to subscribe our channel Prince Master Champ Education with Fun. I will be meeting in my next video. Till then, bye bye.